Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So hairstyle 1 is just going to be 2 space buttons, very 90s, late 90s, early 2000s, and you're going to want some accessories like butterfly clips or any type of, just little clips that you put in your hair. I am wearing a wig because my hair looks nothing like Lizzie's. So how many of you guys watched this show? I know I loved it growing up. I loved Hilary Duff so much. She was such a role model to me, and she's still amazing to this day. But anyways, you're just going to create a nice little space bun. You can do this on your natural hair. Your hair doesn't need to be short and blonde like hers. Feel free to do it on long hair. I just wanted it so you guys could get more of the feel of like Hilary Duff when she was younger. So yeah. So just create 2 space buns on the top of your head. This one's really easy. And just comb your hair behind your ear too as well. This hairstyle will also work really well if you have bangs, and I don't have bangs, so that's why I needed to wear a wig. So then you're just gonna stick some of your accessories in, like little pins and also a butterfly on one side, and you'll get that really cute 90s, early 2000s hairstyle. Very Lizzie Mcguire. I loved this hairstyle so much, especially when I was younger. I wore it all the time. Okay, so hairstyle number 2. This one is very recognized by her. She wore it all the time. I love this hairstyle. It's one of the more complicated ones. So what you're going to do is grab a piece of hair, wrap it around your finger, and then pin it down, and it should create this waterfall type of look. Firework. This hairstyle was so popular in the late 90s and early 2000s. I mean, Mary-Kate and Ashley were wearing this. So many people were wearing this. I mean, Lizzie Mcguire, her best friend Miranda. So yeah, this was super popular. And also just take some butterfly clips. I'm just using any colorful ones that I have from Etsy right here. And these really complete the look. I mean, come on, look at that. I loved this hairstyle when I was younger, but now that I'm older, I don't think I can wear this. I probably would, honestly, I would. Come on, why wouldn't I, Okay, hairstyle number 3. This one personally was my favorite because it honestly felt so nostalgic to me wearing it, but you are going to pin, not pack, but pin one piece of your hair back and grab a strand and just create a normal braid. My camera did die while I was filming this, but clearly it's just a simple braid. You just braid it all the way down and tie it and then place it back. And then what you're going to do is just put some butterfly clips on top of the braids. Or in Lizzie's case, you're going to put flowers. I didn't have flowers, so I thought butterfly clips were the second best option to dazzle it up. But flowers would have worked amazingly, like better probably. But that is the next hairstyle, my favorite. I love it. And then on to the next hairstyle, which is really fun and cute. What you're going to do is pull out your face frame if you have one, and then just create a normal braid. None of these are French braids, they're just normal braids. Braid it all the way down, and then you'll just secure it in place with a hair tie. Then we'll go in with the accessories after that we create the braids. So it's kind of like a Pippi Longstocking type of hairstyle. And you just want to make sure that you're pulling your hair out so your hair is sticking outwards instead of falling into place. You know what I mean? So you see how my 2 braids are sticking out instead of falling. And then you're going to take 2 balls. Sorry, that sounds funny. You're going to take 2 hairballs and placing them on the ends of the braid. And then for fun, you're going to take a bandana. I got this pink one from Walmart, and tying it around your hair. And that's exactly what she used to do all the time. This is such a late 90s, early 2000s staple, is to wear a bandana. I love this look. And for a second option, I have this other kind of made bandana already. And this is just a second option. People wore these all the time back then too. I like the first option better because this one just sat on my head weird. But next is the next and last hairstyle, which is super easy if you have shorter hair. You're just going to make your hair go half up, half down, and place it really high up on the top of your head, because when you scrunch it together, it's going to make a waterfall type of ponytail. And just take a clip so you can keep it in place. This is what's going to keep the waterfall. I do this hairstyle a lot still to this day. Then you're going to take 2 headbands. I wish I had pink headbands, but I didn't. So just work with what you got. Take 2 headbands, and that will complete the last look. I hope you guys loved these nostalgic looks, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!